Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a text box into your blank PDF file on the PDF Expert application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And after that you should tap on the plus icon down below, click on blank PDF, then you should tap on this T button at the top, and then you should tap on the screen where you want to insert this text box. After that, start typing, and if you tap on this section in the middle of the screen, you are going to see that you can change the text color, also the font, weight, so you can make italicize it, make it thinner, larger, medium, and so on. You can also select the size, and additional settings can be made, such as the border color, the border thickness, the border style, and the background color. So if you are done with selecting all these details, tap on the done button in the middle of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.